Guys, and I'm functioning on zero sleep because my flight was delayed 3 hours. So, le digo a la gente que que estoy ahorita funcionando sin dormir porque mi vuelo fue atrasado 3 horas y cuando llegué a mi hotel era un relajo. I want to go over here. I saw some flags. So I'm going to go over here. Salam, that's what you say, what's up. You heard him? He said salam. I'm always attracted by flags. Le digo a la gente que siempre me atrae las banderas. Y acá hay muchas. Aquí está, mira. There's the flag guy. First thing I noticed, no USA and no Mexico. Weird. But for whatever reason, the German one's flying high. Or is that Belgium? I don't even know. Y otro lado de la catedral. Oh, I got a bonjour from a kid. So that's the other language here. It says bonjour and salam. No, thank you. I also say assalamu alaikum. Learned that in Turkey. Assalamu alaikum. I love Muslim countries. A mí siempre me han tratado muy bien en los países musulmanes. Mi país favorito del mundo es musulmán. Kazajstán. Might give me some traditional garment here, some traditional Tunisian garments.